headed into Value Village, which is just like Savers. So let's go in and do some thrifting.
The first thing we're gonna take a look at is the pictures. Now I'm doing voiceover for this video because the music was just blaring in the store and you wouldn't be able to hear my voice. So we're gonna do voiceover this time around. Let's look at the picture, see if there's anything interesting. So they had this one, always kiss me goodnight. What a cute little saying. They didn't have too much for pictures. How about have a cocktail and get over it? And other than that, it was just kind of random stuff. Nothing interesting, nothing amazing. They had a lot though. There's a lot of stock as far as pictures go. I'm a daydreamer and a night dreamer. And then we got onto some of the plates and collectibles that they had. So there were some dolls that they had there. And this was actually really cool. They had a Cabbage Patch doll set. It looked like they were twins. They were so cute, and they were only 10 bucks each. So they're actually a really cute little set. And they were actually not too bad of condition too. There's an old toy there. And what else did we find? Oh, there's some more dolls, tons of dolls. They usually have tons of dolls. Some more knick-knacks. This angel is beautiful, but 15 bucks. Ouch. But she's beautiful. What about just walk a day in my flip-flops? Oh, I wish. We've been having such cold weather here lately. I would love to be wearing flip-flops and walking on sand, that's for sure. And some more little knick-knacks and some statues. And there's another little kind of creepy doll there. That angel was cute. And, oh, that was kind of funny. Oh, those fish, they were very colorful. I love this little piggy bank. It was so cute with the little tutu on. Oh, the little trolls popped in to say hello. These little bears were cute too. They were little hooks. I thought that would be so sweet for like a little kid's room. And that was another really cute little piggy bank with the pink polka dots and fish. And that little angel was really cute, but $7 each. But it was really cute. And it's just some more little figurines there as well. And we'll go on the end here, take a quick peek. There's just some more vases, and just some more little kind of knick-knackies. And then just some more candles and candle accessories, some candle holders that they had. This little angel was actually quite cute, $7 again. Very, very pricey. A lot of their stuff, you have to really, really look to get a good deal. So nothing too interesting there. And then they had that little chair with the time to chill. And then there was this here, silence is golden unless you have kids. Then silence is just suspicious. I like that. That was actually quite cute. And then over by the crafting area, they actually had quite a few little crafting sets. They were actually quite cute. There was like a bracelet set that you can make. There's a nail polish to do nails, and yeah, tons of different types of crafty things. A lot of bracelet ones. Oh, and I found this Wonder. I love Wonder Woman stuff. I found this Wonder Woman mug, but it had a chip in it. I was not happy. I wanted that cup so bad, but oh well, what are you gonna do? And then off to get some books, of course, for the channel. So just flipping through, seeing if they have anything interesting, anything new. Just a lot of kind of random stuff. Winnie the Pooh. Oh, and I found these. These were actually cool. They had a whole selection of them. So there's Mr. Topsy-Turvy, Mr. Rush, Mr. Bounce, Mr. Chatterbox, Mr. Bump, Mr. Mischief, Mr. Happy, Mr. Silly, Mr. Snow. That's a good time of the year for that. There's some Berenstain Bear books. Oh, and there was the Bubble Guppies. I've done that book, so make sure you check out my Bubble Guppies playlist to check out that book, because I did read that one before. And there's a Batman book. There was a Peppa one. I guess I just went over that one. There's a Paw Patrol one. And Stories for Girl. I think I went through those ones already. And off to the furniture. They didn't have too much this time for furniture. This little kind of serving cart they put trays in. That little dinosaur. A lot of little horses. Like the rocking horses and stuff like that. They had tons of those. coffee table, a couple little shelving units, dresser. Not too much. They had this thing. This was actually cool. It was like a beer for beer. It was like a cake almost. So that was kind of cool. And then off to see some games. If there's any Wii games, Xbox games, PS4 games, PS3. They didn't have too much of a selection. Just all the same random kind of games that they usually have. And then check the other side of the furniture. There was a nice vase there, huge. Just some more kind of bins and baskets and some more stuffed animals. There's some lawn chairs, more horses. And then off to the toy section. So this is all their bagged stuff. There's a bag of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles there. That was actually kind of a good deal. Some trolls. Some more random kind of toys and bags. There was some Disney stuff, Disney Princess, and then Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. In the half shell and they're green. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, heroes in a half shell. Those were actually a really good deal. They're only $5.99 and there were bigger ones, so that was actually a really good deal for those, I thought. And then there was this stuffy one as well. It's actually kind of cool. Lots of turtle stuff. Somebody gave away all their turtle stuff. And just some more random toys, some trucks, some cars, buses, lots of vehicles. There was a Star Wars TIE Fighter. I think that's what that's called. I'm not 100% sure. You can correct me in the comments. A Transformer, and just some more kind of just random cars. And then they had this cute little Cabbage Patch doll. Looked like it was wearing like a little Halloween costume. $15 though. It was like a little frog costume. Just some more random toys. Baby toys, there's a cute little unicorn, and just a fire truck, and some dolls. That was a cute little mermaid doll, or maybe Ariel, I'm not quite sure. Some more Cabbage Patch dolls, random dolls. Yeah, some leapfrog stuff, that kind of thing. Oh, and then off to the purses. I always have to check the purses. I love purses. I have too many purses, but I always have to check the purses when I'm there. See if there's any brand name ones that are an awesome deal. So there was a Guess one there. That one wasn't too bad. Sometimes you can get a really good deal. Sometimes they're a little bit overpriced for the condition that they're in, but I always have to check the purses. I love my purses. So there wasn't really too much this time around. There's just a couple of Guess ones that weren't too bad. Found this Coach one, but like $20, and it was kind of rough on the bottom. It was starting to fall apart, so yeah, it was too pricey for that condition. But yeah, I took another look around and see if there was anything that caught my eye, and not too much really, just more Guess ones, and yeah, so not too much in the purse department. And then we went off into the showcase area where they have everything locked up. So there's a Nintendo 64 there for $40. And they had just some random, there's a Wii there with some controllers, just some random, I guess, brand name shoes that they wanted locked up. The Wii, I think, was $25. Just another, I guess, high-end suitcase, some blankets, and then their jewelry that they have. Nothing really too amazing, just some rings, overpriced. Yeah, other than that, there's some necklaces on the bottom and some glasses, so not too much interesting items in the showcase this time around. And here's some men's shoes, and we took a look at some shoes. There's some more shoes. My son needs to get some shoes for an event coming up, so we had to take a look at the men's shoes. And then over to the women's. Oh, there's somebody who left their McDonald's coffee. There's some cool shoes there. These were all the women's ones. There's some Coach ones, slip-on ones, and yeah, they actually had not too bad of a selection of the women's ones. There was some Calvin Klein slip-ons for $18. And other than that, lots of high heel ones, a lot of dress shoes. Yeah, and then there was these. Take a look at those heels, ladies. Steve Madden shoes, and the price on those were $12, so not bad for those ones, but if those are the kind of shoes you like. And then they had these Coach ones for $25, just some slip-ons. And then I found these Michael Kors ones, and they were actually only 10 bucks each. What do you think of those with my socks? Do you like that? Does that look good? And actually, if they would have fit, I would have bought a pair of them, but they were too big. And then off to the Blu-ray movies to see if they had anything interesting, and not too much, just basically all the same stuff they usually have. And then took a quick peek at the DVDs as well to see if there's any interesting DVDs, movies there. Nothing, just all the usual stuff that they usually have, all the common stuff. And then off to the kids to see if there's any Disney. I like collecting Disney movies, so I'm always checking to see if there's any Disney movies, but nothing that big.
So this was my haul. Kind of, well, it was good for books, kind of uneventful for anything else, really. I ended up buying a pair of dress shoes for my son. He's got an event coming up, so he needs a pair of dress shoes. So those were $15.99. And then a whole bunch of books, so stay tuned because these will obviously be videos. So there's a whole bunch of Peppa and some Mickey, and then just a variety. There's Vampirina and some Doc McStuffins, Mulan with the movie coming out here right away. So stay tuned for those. Those will be videos coming up very shortly. Probably just like some double features on these ones because they're a little bit shorter books. But yeah, so that's my haul for this time around. Join me for more thrifting hauls. I think maybe next time we'll try Goodwill and see what they have to offer. And hopefully next time we go to Savers Value Village, we'll have some better luck and find some really cool stuff to buy. So yeah, so stay tuned. We'll do some more thrifting videos in the future. Thanks a lot for joining me and going shopping with me at Value Village. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.